I import an image of a 3-view drawing. This is the top view. I then scale it to the exact size of the plane, and then I can use it as a reference for all the parts that I'm about to design. This is a photo of the finished plane, and it's very, very close. Then I create 3 planes using the top view to get the curvature and the placement. On these 3 planes I've drawn each end plus a middle profile using the sketch tools. Now I'm using the sketch to create the rails and guides for the profiling of the finished exhaust. Now I use the loft tool to create the solid model, so I've got a reference to work from for putting the final details in. Next is to use the shell tool to create a hollow interior of the solid model. Then a little tweaking just to get the final details ready so I can finish up the model. Then I use the split tool just to create a curvature at the end of the exhaust to match the scale profile. Now I need to cut the lip of the inside of the exhaust so that I can be able to slide the part into the hole and have it glue in and get a good placement. At this stage you can use the combine tool to combine all the small parts into one single part, and then you can mirror it over and you've got the finished 2 parts that you need, a left and a right, and off to the printer. So now you can see the finished parts assembled in the model, and it looks real good. I guess I could have done a better paint job, but anyhow. Thanks for watching. Leave comments if you like the video, any particular thing you want to see, let me know. Thanks.